Hello friends, and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. I hope you're all doing very well today. I've something different to talk about here today. This is a wireless network access point. It is for outdoor use. It's a high gain 12 dB antenna, and this is designed to be pole mounted, hence the bracket on the back. This is was Networks 3.4 gigahertz. So I'm going to look inside it, and through the magic of having had it apart previously, it just slides out. The two screws over here have been removed, so the warranty has been invalidated. Also, these two screws have been removed, which hold the board down. Now the board contains your Ethernet hardware layer, power supply layer, and then your processing stuff, the reset button over there, and that's about all you get to see. On the back of the board you get to see some more stuff, which is your RF stuff here on the back. So there's your connections to your antennas. So this is a polarized antenna, which looks like so. So the beam out of it I believe it's 30 by 60 degrees. So I think this way 30 degrees and this way 60 degrees. So there's your two antennas. I'm not an RF expert. This stuff is witchcraft to me. But you got a feed through insulator over here connecting to that plane. Another feed through insulator over here connecting to the same plane. And then you got these planes over here as well. They're all electrically in contact. This over here, by the way, was the stuff for the Ethernet hardware layer. It was taped on over there. It's got a power on, wireless LAN, Ethernet. There's your reset. So these are LEDs over there, like so. The power supplied over Ethernet, so it's supplied with a wall wart where you plug the Ethernet into from your PC or network, and then a LAN cable goes from that to here. We could have that wall wart. Oops. Not far away, fortunately. That's what that looks like. So one of these connects to that and the other side connects to your network. And there's power over Ethernet now, that works. It's got details on it. What does it say? 24 volt DC. 750 milliamps, something like that. You guys might be able to see it better than me. This was bought for a project, and they had some trouble with it, but I think it was because they're trying to this has got a 5 kilometer range. It's intended for use outdoors. So you would set this up to connect to a beacon or tower where the signal is transmitted to and fro from, up to 5 kilometers away. And these were used inside a metal building, a lot closer than that to one another. And I don't think they're intended to be used like that. So we had some few spare, which they seem to be faulty, but I don't think that's a problem. This will probably work if I flash it up. One could play with it. I could go sit on top of the mountain and have Ethernet or internet connection by myself or to myself, because you can't really use this at home. So that is a little bit of a talk on this 2.4 gigahertz microwave transceiver and what that's all about. Stuff's very compact. There's some clever chips in there. That's about all you get to see. The rest is magic. So thanks for being here today, joining me for a quick look inside this piece of equipment. Maybe you found it interesting. I do hope so. For the rest, have yourselves a wonderful day further, and I'll see you back here for more, taking stuff to pieces and making it work. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen.